Soumitra Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some assignment of chapter number 8, which is a girl called Manu. Students, firstly I will remind you once again that in the live video class I have explained all the story of this chapter. I have made a video which is part 1 of this chapter. In that video I have explained the assignment of A, B, C, D, E and F and G. This is that was the part 1 of the video of chapter number 8. I have uploaded this video on YouTube. If you have not done these previous exercise, you will watch the video and do assignments in your book. Now in this video I will explain exercise number H, I, J, K and L. This is the second part of the video of the chapter number 8. So now without any delay, let's start our video. Firstly, on the page number 78, you have given exercise number H. In the question number H, you have to take the sentence that are in the past continuous tense. So firstly, we will discuss what is past continuous tense. After that, we will do this exercise. The past continuous tense is used to show an action that was going on for some time in the past. It is formed with was or were plus verb plus ing. For example, at Kampe's residence, people were dancing and singing with joy. Second example, the British were rapidly increasing their power. So, what is past continuous tense, students? Past continuous tense is used to show an action that was going on for some time in the past. It is formed with was plus were. These are the helping verbs which we can use in the past continuous tense. Was and were. Helping verb is used in the past continuous tense, and we will use verb plus ing form. Okay. So let's move to the question. Question number H, take the sentences that are in the past continuous tense. In this exercise, you have given 4 questions, and in these 4 questions you have given 2 options, and you have to tick only on past continuous tense. So first one, in the first you have given 2 statements. First, A is soldiers were refusing to use their rifle cartridge. Is it past continuous tense or not? Friends, in the sentence you can see was or were, means were is given and also ing form of the verb is given. That's why it is the past continuous tense. So you will tick on the A sentence. Move to the B. Soldiers are refusing to use their rifle cartridge. Okay, are helping verb is used in this sentence. So it is a present continuous tense. It is not past continuous tense. So we will leave this. Okay. Move to the second. A is the reporter interviewed all the participants in the contest. Is it past continuous tense or not? Yes, it is not past continuous tense. Why? Because you have not given was or were and ing form of the verb. You have given past participle, and this sentence is related to past indefinite tense. Okay, it is not related to the past continuous tense. Was or were not given and ing form is So move to the B. B statement is the reporter was interviewing all the participants in the contest. So you can see was is given and also ing form is given. So is it past continuous tense or not? Yes, it is the past continuous tense. So you will tick on the B statement. Move to the third. Jack and Leela are sitting in the cafe. Now is it past continuous tense or not? No, it is not past continuous tense. Why? Because R is given. Okay, R is given. ing form is also given, but R is given. So that's why it is present continuous tense. It is not past continuous tense. Okay. Move to the B. Jack and Leela were sitting in the cafe. So were is given and also ing form is given. That's why B option is right option. Move to the next. Fourth statement. My mother was writing a book on traditional Indian recipes. So was is given and also ing form is given. So it is a past continuous tense. So you will take on a statement. Move to the B. My mother wrote a book on traditional Indian recipe. So wrote is given. It is related to past indefinite tense. It is not past continuous tense. So you will not tick on that. Okay. So only option number A is right option. Move to the next. We use since to refer to a specific time in the past. We use for to talk about a duration or period of time. For example, Ananya has been studying since 5 o'clock. Ananya has been studying for 4 hours. So, where do we use since and where do we use for? Let's discuss about it. So, we use since to refer to a specific time in the past. Specific time, for example, 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, January, February, March, April. All these are the specific time. So we use since for all these. And we use for to talk about our duration or period of time. Duration or period of time means for example 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. It is the duration of time. It is talking about the long period of time. It is talking about long period of time. So that's why we will use for to talk about the duration or period of time. Okay. Now move to the exercise, which is exercise number I. Fill in the blanks with since or for. So let's do it. First is Sneha can hold her breath blank a whole minute. So you will fill for. Next, Gurdeep has lived in Belgaum blank. He was a child. Child is specific time. So that's why we will use since here. Naman has been absent from school blank 3 days. So 3 days is the duration of time. That's why we will use for. Okay. I have eaten nothing blank last night is the specific time. So that's why we will use since here. Next, fifth is the children were in the swimming pool blank almost an hour. So almost an hour, it is given the duration of time. That's why we will use for here. Next, sixth question. We haven't gone out for a movie blank a long time. A long time is given. You have not given a specific time. That's why we will use for here. Okay. Now move to the next. Next is given about the past participle. So till now we have read about simple past tense, past continuous tense, about since and for, and now move to past participle. So what is past participle? The past participle form of the verb is used to show an action already completed in the past. So examples are given. The sage saw the baby girl's future. It is related to simple past tense. Okay, saw. Second form is given. Second form of the verb is given. It is related to simple past tense. Okay, or past indefinite tense. Okay. Next example is the sage had seen the baby girl's future. The sage had seen the baby girl's future. It is past participle form. Okay. Had or third form of the verb is given. Okay, that's why we can say that it is a past participle. Okay, how can we imagine the idea? Is it past participle or not? You can see, firstly you will see is there had or not. The form of the verb, which form of the verb is used here? Third form of the verb is used here. That's why it is related to past participle. Had plus third form of the verb is given, so it is a past participle form. Okay, now move to the next question, which is the question number J. Complete the table with the simple present tense, past tense and past participle form of the verbs. In your book you have given 3 columns. In the first column you have given verb and it is related to simple present tense. Okay, and in the second column you have given simple past form of the verb, and in the third column you have given past participle form of the verb, and there are some missing words and you have to complete the table. So first is verb. First is wear, wore, and third is missing. So you will write wore. Okay, wear, wore and wore. Move to second, blank, met, and third is also met. So in the first you will write meet, meet, met, met. Okay. Third, eat, simple past ate, past participle is missing, so you will write eaten, E-A-T-E-N, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Move to next. Verb and simple past is missing and past participle form is given, which is drunk. Okay, which is drunk. So in the first you will write drink, in the second you will write drank. So drink is a simple present form of the verb and drank is the past form of the verb, and drunk is given, it is the past participle form of the verb. Move to the next, which is question number 5. Write is given. Write is verb and simple past of write is, simple past form of write is wrote and past participle form of write is written. Okay, write, wrote, written. W-R-O-T, wrote. Okay, write, which is given. Write, wrote, written. Move to the 6. Read is given in the simple past column. Okay, so read, read. Okay, read, read. Okay, simple past and past participle we pronunciate it as read. Okay, first form is given read, which is read, and next is read, and third is also read. Okay, move to next. Run, rain is given. Okay, rain is given, so you have to fill verb and past participle form of the verb. So first simple present form of the verb is run, second rain, and third run. Run, rain, run. Okay. Next, last one is 8. Blank, blank, and shaken. So shake, shook, and shaken. Okay. Shake, shook, shaken. Move to next. Past perfect tense is used to talk about an event that took place in the past without saying when it took place. It is formed with had plus past participle. Examples are: 2 of the Rani's neighbors had sent armies to invade Jhansi. The messenger said that the British had versus Delhi. So move to the next question, which is question number K. Write a sentence for each of these photographs using the past perfect tense. So you have given 6 pictures, and related to these pictures you have to write a sentence using the past perfect tense. Okay, you will use had and the past participle form of the verb, which is third form. Okay, so first picture of girl is given. So you will write the girl had completed her project. Second is the girl had completed her project. Okay, move to the next. Man is typing on the keyboard. Okay, keyboard में man is typing in the keyboard. So you will write a sentence which is the man had typed assignments on computer. The man had typed assignments on computer. Fourth picture is related to broken cup. Okay, so you will write a cup had broken. A cup had broken. Move to the fifth picture, which is related to a girl and who held a trophy. So you will write a girl had won a trophy. You will write a girl had won a trophy. Move to the sixth. A woman is writing something. So you will write a woman had written a diary. A woman had written a diary. Now move to the next question, which is question number L on the page number 80. It is related to listening and speaking. So your teacher will read out a short text on traditional Indian theatre forms. Listen and match the form of theatre with the region to which it belongs. Okay, so matching is given in the question number L and the text is given at the last page of your book, which is page number 118, and chapter number 8, a girl called Manu is given. Okay, and in this question you can see the 5 statement is given and it is related to the popular folk theatre. Okay, and the relate and the religion and the region or state of state. Okay, so I am reading the first. First, Bhavai is popular folk theatre form of Western India, especially Gujarat. So Bhavai is related to Gujarat. Second, Bhavna and Ankiya Nath are one act plays. They are performed in Assam. So Bhavna and Ankiya are related to Assam state. Okay, next is third is Jatra means journey in Bengali. It is a very popular music theatre form of West Bengal. So Jatra is related to West Bengal. Fourth is Swang is a form of mimicry that combines dialogues and songs. This folk theatre form is popular in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Fifth is Yakshagan is traditionally performed from dusk to dawn and comes from Karnataka. So Yakshagan is related to Karnataka. Now move to the page number 80 and you have to match these with the column number B. So first one is Bhavai. Bhavai is related to Gujarat. So you will match first with D. Second, Bhavna and Ankiya Nath are related to Assam. So you will match second with E. Third, Jatra. Jatra folk dance is related to West Bengal. So you will match it with A. Next, Swang. Swang is related to Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and parts of Madhya Pradesh. That's why you will match fourth with the C. Last one is Yakshagan. Yakshagan is related to Karnataka. So you will match fifth with B. Next question is related to writing. Question number N. Write a summary of the story of Rani Lakshmi Bai using this outline. So in this question you have to write the summary of the story of Rani Lakshmi Bai. I have sent this exercise in the PDF. So you will write this answer by watching PDF in your CW copy. So today's video lecture, that's it. We will meet soon with new online video lecture in which we will discuss some other assignments. For today, that's it. Thank you everyone.